Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can erase your iPhone without Apple ID password. So if you try to erase your iPhone will ask for you to enter your Apple ID password. Simply let me show you. So as you can see, if we try to erase our iPhone, we have to enter the password for our Apple ID. So the method is how you can reset your iPhone, erase your iPhone without Apple ID password. So if you go to settings and try to sign out or turn off Find My iPhone, we have to enter the password of our Apple ID, obviously, which we don't have. So simply let me show you how you can erase your iPhone without Apple ID password. Let's get started the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So there are simple steps that you can take to solve this issue. Simply, what you're gonna do, simply go back, click on General, scroll down, click on Transfer Reset, click on Erase All Content and Settings, click on Continue, Erase, enter the passcode of your iPhone, then click on Skip Backup. Once you click on it, simply you have to enter the password which you don't have. What you're gonna do, simply click on Forgot Password. Once you click on it, it will not ask for you to enter your phone number or any email address or any verification code. Now you simply have to just put the passcode of your iPhone. Enter the passcode. So once you click on it, it will verify and will give you the option to change the password. Now you have the option to change password for your Apple ID. Simply enter the new password for your Apple ID. Once you have changed it, now as you have the password, now you can enter the password and click on turn off and you will be able to erase your iPhone. So this is how you can erase your iPhone. Hope this video helps, and if you need any help, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching.